Hey guys, in this video we are going to see types of input and outputs in PLC. For support, please subscribe our channel. In Programmable Logic Controllers, PLCs, there are various types of input and output I/O modules that are designed to interface with different types of sensors, actuators, and other field devices. Here are some common types of input and output modules found in PLC systems. Digital input DI, analog input AI, digital output DO, analog output AO. Digital input. Digital input modules interface with binary devices such as limit switches, push buttons, proximity sensors, and other devices that provide on/off signals. They typically have terminals or channels for connecting to the field devices and provide electrical isolation and signal conditioning to protect the PLC. Digital input modules may also support different voltage levels. Example: 24-volt DC, 12-volt DC, 120-volt AC, to match the requirements of the connected devices. Digital output. Digital output modules control binary devices such as relays, solenoid valves, indicator lights, and other devices that require on/off control. They generate control signals to energize or de-energize the connected output devices based on the commands received from the PLC's CPU. Like digital input modules, digital output modules may support various voltage levels and provide isolation to protect the PLC. Analog input. Analog input modules interface with sensors or transducers that provide continuous analog signals representing physical parameters such as temperature, pressure, level, flow, etc. They convert the analog signals into digital values using analog-to-digital conversion (ADC) techniques and transmit the digitized data to the PLC for processing. Analog input modules may provide options for different signal ranges. Example: 0 to 10 volt DC, 4 to 20 mA, and resolution to match the specifications of the connected sensors. Analog output. Analog output modules generate continuous analog signals to control actuators such as variable frequency drives, VFDs, proportional valves, motor speed controllers, and other devices that require variable control. They convert digital control signals from the PLC's CPU into analog voltage or current signals using digital to analog conversion (DAC) techniques.